Hey everyone! So if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, let me share a little tip that could save you up to $1,000 USD or 1,300 CAD, and maybe even more depending on where you live. It's all thanks to Tesla's referral program, which is designed to reward both new buyers and existing Tesla owners. Here's how it works. It's super simple and straightforward. First, you'll need a referral link, which is your gateway to the benefits. You can grab one from a friend who already owns a Tesla, making it a great way to share the love. Or if you don't know anyone with a Tesla, you can use the referral link I've included in the description below. This link will help you get started on your Tesla journey with some added perks. Once you're on the site, pick the Tesla you're interested in, whether it's the Model 3, the Model Y, Cybertruck, or even the fancy Model S or X. Now here's the key part. Make sure you're using the referral link before you place your order. You can't add it later, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on those savings. Also, take a second to click the little globe icon in the top right corner of the Tesla website. This small action can make a big difference. By clicking it, you can change your region settings. This is important because it customizes the information you see based on your location. For instance, it'll show you any local incentives, like tax rebates, EV credits, and other benefits that are available in your area. You might also find special financing options such as 0% financing, which can make purchasing a Tesla more affordable. These regional offers can vary greatly, so it's worth checking to see what specific deals might apply where you live. This way, you can make the most informed decision possible when considering a Tesla. I did this when I ordered my Tesla, and it actually helped me see what I was eligible for in my area. Depending on where you are, you could stack those savings with the referral bonus. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Use a referral link, check your region for extra incentives, and start your Tesla journey with a nice discount. Tesla offers a variety of models to suit different needs and preferences, from the sleek Model S to the versatile Model Y. If you've been on the fence about making the switch to electric, now is a great time to consider it. Electric vehicles are not only better for the environment, but they also offer a smooth and quiet driving experience. This might just be the nudge you need. Imagine driving past gas stations without a second thought, knowing you're contributing to a greener planet. Click the referral link below to get started. It's a simple step that can lead to significant savings and a fantastic driving experience. All right, that's it from me. I hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Your feedback and questions are always welcome. Engaging with you all is one of the best parts of this journey. See you on the road. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring scenic routes, enjoy the ride.